Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button. Now first of all, you're going to have 4 cutouts of 20 inches in length of your Aso-oke fabric. Now I'm going to be joining them and I will show you how I did that. Out of the 4 cutouts that you cut out, you're going to be joining them in pairs, like bring 2 and join together, you bring the other 2 and then you join it together. I've already went on ahead to finish the other one, so I'll be using this particular one to show you how I achieved the other one to be in a rectangular form, just like you're seeing here. So this is like what we need to achieve, so I'm going to be doing it in this other one. So after you have joined 2 pieces of the cutout together, you hem the edges to just like I'm doing. Just watch what I'm doing and you understand. So you kind of like fold the edges as if you're trying to hem it, and then you put them together just like this. Once you put them together, you go back to your sewing machine and run the sewing machine in an opposite C form, just like my hands are showing you. Run it so that you are not going to have any space or opening. So once you're done running it, this is how you're going to make your butterfly. From one end of the rectangle, you start pleating. Pleat it, run it from one point to the opposite point, just like that. You will understand better by watching. Once you're done pleating, you're going to use your needle and thread to tack it and hold it down. You keep it aside, bring the other rectangle too, and do the same thing. Repeat the same thing you did in the other one. Once you're done pleating, with that same needle, tack the other one and then draw it out. So as soon as you draw it out, you see that your butterfly has been formed already. So you just go ahead and tack and hold it firmly to secure your needle and thread so that it won't lose. So that's basically what I'm doing. Now that's how you form your butterfly. This butterfly can be used for any type of design. So just to make it look more beautiful and attractive, I ended up adding my applique or an embellishment to it. So with my hot glue gun, I was able to add the applique on it and to add a little bit of beauty to it. So that's how to make a butterfly attachment for your fascinator. Follow me for more and please subscribe to my channel. That would mean a whole lot to me. See you guys later. Bye.